everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and today we are opening up the Tiny Party Club by Sugar and Sloth. Hello, so I hope everyone is doing really well. Favourite time of the year is finally here, and yes, I got loads of videos to shoot this month, which I am very excited for. Who else is like so happy that Halloween is here, but how fast this year has gone. I mean, yeah, we have spent the last 6 months, you know, or more indoors, so yeah, it has gone really quick. I have my little ghost buddy. He is going to be in the background of the videos for most of it. He does flash, so I have to be careful not to knock him, but I didn't even know he flashed until I actually bought him. He's so cute, and he's from Poundland. So we are opening up the Sugar and Sloth Tiny Party Club box. I didn't do September's because as soon as it came through the door I couldn't wait. I opened it. But this one I was a bit more like, you know, didn't open it straight away, so I can finally do it as a video. I've already opened it up, ready to show you. I have no idea what's inside. I haven't seen any spoilers online. It is all completely a mystery. So once again, I cannot even begin to say how amazing I love this box. As soon as it comes through the lead box, obviously you're gonna know what this is. So open it up. Oh, it's a different kind of tissue paper this time, and it has a giraffe sticker. I find it quite sad when people like put tissue paper on a sticker because you have to rip the sticker to get inside, but I'm so sorry. So straight away you can tell it is a spooky box with the black tissue paper, and there is like little confetti which is green and purple inside. I can already tell I'm gonna love this box so much. So you have the quick little preview. I won't look. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's have a look. So I think most of it is it's kind of like a bee. So let's go with the first one. Oh, okay. So this is a magnet. It says, "Sorry I missed your call. I did it on purpose." Yeah. So the design is really cute. It's got like a little skull and a knife. And yeah, I love it. It is super cute. I don't know where to put this. I don't really have anything that like metal to put it on, but I will find somewhere. Next up, oh my god, it's amazing. I love this. It's like how sparkly that is. Oh my god. I mean, I've tried to do badges, but it's so hard to get effects like this. So this is what it is. I don't know if it's a ghost. I don't know. I don't even know what that says either. Like the writing. I don't even know what that says either, but it is a really nice badge, and I'll definitely be putting that somewhere, and just the glitter in general. It is perfect. And next up we have some stickers. Oh my god. I mean, the last two I got like, I think it's a singular sticker, but this is a sheet, and oh my god, I love it. Look at that one with his little like sweet thing, and it's dressed as a witch. I literally can't speak, this is amazing. So this is all the stickers. It is 6 of them. Once again, it has that thing like Spoody Woodlouse. Spoody Woodlouse, am I saying that right? But yeah, I just noticed the vampire one as well. It's like a little bee. That one says boo. Like, they're all bees, but it just works so well. I actually have a shirt which I wish I knew the theme so I can actually wear it. It has 2 little like bees on it, and it has like, you know, where they're in like a little costume like that, and it says boobies on it. So the really spooky bees. Yeah, this is the postcard. It's a bit bent. I mean, my box did go through something before it got here, but there, this is the postcard. It says, "I use puns to cope with life," and I think that is everyone right now, especially this year. But yeah, really pretty bees. the main event, which is the pin. Just very quickly show you how much tissue paper is in there. So yeah, I'm so excited for this one, especially if it's, you know, bee themed and it's Halloween themed. It's gonna be amazing. So I'm not gonna show me first. I'm just gonna quickly show you. Oh my god. It is so cute. Look at it. Look at that bee. Honestly, if it is not bee, but just look at it. So I guess that is the same as, oh yeah, it's the same as the sticker there. But oh my god, no, the pin is so good. Like, this is so worth your money. Once again, this box is a £12 monthly subscription. You get a pin in each box. I think it's a guaranteed sticker and a badge. But no, this is amazing. I'm just going to quickly re-show you everything because this is so good, and I think it is so worth your money. So once again, you get a magnet. You get this is a bit more of a larger badge because I got a dinosaur one in the other one, but it was a lot smaller. But this is the dinosaur the badge. Got the sticker sheet, which has 6 stickers on it. The thank you one and the thing with the box, the postcard, and the pin. So yeah, highly recommend this box. I did see a comment on one of my last ones saying they're a bit disappointed because it's not a stationery box, but I don't think it says it's a stationery box. I'm not sure, like, you don't get pens, you don't get erasers and stuff. Well, no, I don't know. I only got 3 boxes so far. God knows, like last time when I opened it, it wasn't on the video, I got a coaster. So but yes, so yeah, this is the box, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. These are usually quite short because there's only a few items in the box, but it is a really good box. Highly recommend anyone to get them. It's so good, and also follow him on Instagram. So yeah, this is once again the pin. Amazing. Last month I got I think it's an otter or beaver that's holding like a coffee, like the bubble coffees. And then also the unboxing of the video, I got a dinosaur that is in space and it's like a glittery pin. So yeah, highly recommend if you're into pins and love just cute kawaii things. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So bye.